Nice. All right, we're live.
Ooh, I like that we're live.
Did you go to the disco yesterday?
I did not.
Are you going today?
Yes, I am going today.
Do you know what time?
Probably like 12:01-ish.
Okay, I'm going to the gym at noon. So if you're back by 1:30, I can head over your way.
Ah, cool.
Just let me know, I guess. Good talk. All right.
Sorry, I had to respond to a text from the big man.
Jesus?
No, the one that signs my paycheck.
Oh, that big man.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, guy, hi again, and good morning, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian, and I wish you didn't do that.
It is October 19th, 2021, and Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We are bridging gaps, baby, between the comedy, the cannabis, the crypto, and the stock game. Sorry, my camera's a little out of focus.
And as you guys know, we like to start off every single episode by giving a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Please go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. If they keep us high during the stock market, they should keep you high too.
Yes.
Take that from you. Brian, who else do we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. They send very clear buy and short signals, giving you the confidence you need to make good trades. Cheat Code Algorithm. Check it out in conjunction with TradingView.com. Oh boy, look at Mara.
Oh God, I don't want to look.
52.
Oh, it was 52 yesterday, wasn't it?
Was it? Yeah, I guess it was.
I believe it was 52 yesterday.
Huh.
Yes. But Bitcoin's 62,000, 62.8.
62.8.
I believe, if I can recall correctly, because I just have $800 in Bitcoin, so I'm just letting it slowly grow. I know that you said that you put in what, $5 a week?
Yeah, it grows, man. It really grows.
It does.
I got 62. Yeah, 62.6. Yeah, I have like I think I'm pushing $500 on Bitcoin. I actually have to send some over from my Coinbase over to my Celsius because I keep it in Celsius for the APR.
Oh, that's cool. So yeah, so you get an interest rate on your Bitcoin.
Yep. It's not much. I think it's like 3%, but it's better than zero.
Oh, 3%'s a lot.
Yeah.
That adds up, bro.
It's more than most savings accounts. Can I tell you a fun Bitcoin Celsius story?
Yes, please.
Okay, so yesterday, my beautiful girlfriend, Devin, she is like, hey, I transferred Bitcoin from Celsius to Coinbase a while ago. How long does it usually take, right? And I was like, this is yesterday, by the way, right? And I was like, I don't know, it shouldn't take too long. When did you send it? And she goes, Friday. And I was like, oh, fuck. She's like, yeah, it's not in my Coinbase account, and it's not in my Celsius account either. And I was like, oh, that's not good at all. I was like, you gotta check, right? And she goes into her Celsius account, and it's there. And she's like, oh, weird. I thought I sent this. She's like, yeah, I sent it to the address. She clicks on her withdrawal address, right? And then she goes to her Coinbase withdrawal address. They had changed. Her Coinbase address had changed, which happens, right? But Celsius tells you to verify. She just sent it off to a random fucking wallet. You know what I mean? Like, she's lucky she got it back. The transaction must have got denied for some reason. But I was like, yo, you almost sent $300 into the ether. You really need to be more careful about sending your crypto away. So, like, let that be a lesson to the people that are listening. You know, if you're transferring crypto between wallets, double check. Triple check.
100%.
She didn't double check. And I was like, bro, you almost just threw away $300. Like, you need to be more careful about that. Like, unfortunately, crypto does have, there's like room for error. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Online banking, really not so much. But like, if you're transferring crypto, double, triple check. You need to make goddamn sure.
Oh, bro, that's like my biggest concern with crypto.
I know.
I'm so afraid.
Yep.
Even did it with my sport gambling when I had to transfer it from like another country's website to send it to my fucking Coinbase account. I was petrified. I'm like, man, I'm never gonna see this fucking money again. Petrified.
I know, and imagine sending it and then 2 days later not having it.
I know.
Bro.
I know. But all right. This week, baby, earnings are back.
Oh, fuck, is it earnings week?
Yeah, earnings
that's rough.
are back. So today, when market closes, we got Netflix and United Airlines.
All right, let's see how they're doing right now.
It's going to be so interesting to see what Netflix does because last quarter, their subscribers dipped, but now they have the Squid Games, which is worth $900 million.
You sound like such an old man. Now they have the Squid Games.
The Squid Games. I watched the first 2 episodes, and then Joel watched the rest of it without me on Sunday.
Yeah.
I was watching football. I'm like, all right, I'm not going to watch the rest of it now. So I just won't do it. But yeah, Netflix, what is it at? What is it trading at?
632.84.
Yeah, NFLX is the ticker.
NFLX. I like how you put it.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah. All right, so it's in the. It just hit the buy rating on the TradingView account on the 1 hour. Did you see that? It just changed.
Yep.
No.
Yeah, I see it. I said yeah.
Yeah. So that's. All right. So the first take profit is at 652. It's at 633 right now, which it definitely will hit that. Because if you just go back from since the middle of August, it's just been climbing. It's August, September, October. It's October, almost 3 months now. It's just slowly climbing. So
Okay.
good for you, Netflix. They're going to have good earnings, I'm going to assume, and so should pop. This should pop.
Yep, that's what you think, but this is earnings after all. So let's take a look at puts. So it's down today. I mean, it's down $5 today.
So in this little paragraph that I copy and pasted, it's saying that
way too expensive.
Heading into the week, 8% of S&P 500 companies have reported third quarter results, and 80% of these firms topped consensus estimates. So that's good.
Nice.
Right? It's not a bad thing.
No.
And then I think yesterday was Domino's Pizza, DPZ, if you want to check that out real quick.
The demilitarized pizza zone.
Yeah. Been hearing a lot about Domino's Pizza. Ooh. What happened here?
They posted good earnings.
Yeah, you're right. Yep. Usually, welcome to 2021. When you post good earnings, your stock falls.
Bro, look at that fucking July 21 bump. 463 to 550, like overnight. What happened? Where were we?
Yep. So that's not good. I would never invest into Domino's anyways.
And then what about Dow? Fucking Delta Airlines.
Yep.
Good earnings. Down. They're down.
All right. Well, that just tells us, hey, maybe we should buy puts. All right. So before we get into the stock news, I do want to check out the big movers on the D&B 200. How's that looking, Brian?
Looks like MQ Marquetta is our biggest mover. I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Yeah, I don't either. There's just so many that come out daily.
It's another one of those. That's a sexy card. Modern card issuing that empowers innovators to change the world. It's like one of those fucking... Yeah. I don't even know how we got that. This doesn't look familiar at all.
No, it's a creation of digital payment technology. The firm develops a modern card issuing platform.
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck that means?
Let's see. How about Ped Gaming? Ped Gaming is at $81, and it followed significantly.
Yeah, let's bring. Could be filling a gap, bro.
That's not filling a gap.
You don't think it's filling a gap?
No.
You don't think it's going to try to?
No, I think it's going to go back down. It was a hype because of Barstool, which is what I told every one of our friends that has Penn Gaming. I was like, you need to sell from what you made. When it was over $110, I was like, you guys need to sell. It's just, this is not sustainable. This is a fucking gambling thing. It's going to go back down. And I was right.
Barstool's still in Penn Gaming, even though they have a Barstool Sportsbook, or is the Barstool Sportsbook under Penn National Gaming?
I think it's that one, but honestly, I have no idea.
That's interesting. We should look into that because if Barstool Sportsbook is still under Penn National Gaming, because that's the platform that I use. Out of all of them, the FanDuel, DraftKings, I used Barstool Sportsbook. A little weird.
The sportsbook. I mean, like, look at DraftKings. DraftKings is probably the biggest, most accessible, at least one of the most accessible sports books. It's fucking $48.
Well, I got some news about DraftKings, actually. I'll say it right now, but it was in the SPAC IPO merger funding news.
SPAC!
So, yeah, I'm just gonna read it now just because we're talking about it. DraftKings stock lower after $22 billion Entain takeover deadline extension. So DraftKings will now have until November 16th to formalize its $22.4 billion bid for Entain, or walk away from the British bookmaker for at least 6 months.
Ooh. Wow. See, that would be a big one, and that's why it's so... I mean, they got an extension.
Which is good.
It's good, but it's just like, the stock lowered because people are like, hey, make up your fucking mind. That'd be huge if they did it, you know?
Oh, yeah, but imagine buying... Yeah, then they would be probably the biggest sports book in Europe and America.
That would be in the world at that point. They'd be global,
in the world.
You know?
I can't see too many sports books being worth more than $22.4 billion.
No, does FanDuel trade?
FanDuel, I believe, is trading in Europe.
Okay, FanDuel doesn't trade America?
No, I believe that we did bring up, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago that it was going to enter a SPAC deal, but I don't think that ever happened.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Penn's trading like $7 billion less than
DraftKings.
Yeah, their market caps.
All right. Anything else on the green? Yeah, we got same thing with me. And nothing really. Tooting my fancy. Oh, I said tooting my fancy again.
You gotta put that on a shirt.
I don't know. I don't know why the fuck I keep saying that. Oh, look at Arrival's almost up 5%. ARVL. We haven't spoke about that one in a while. Oh, that's been climbing.
Yeah.
Since mid-August.
Should have bought that dip in August.
Yeah.
Oh, wow! What an atrocious graph. Oh, that's fucking terrible.
Yeah, I know.
But
that is really bad.
I mean, maybe it's climbing back up. It's just like, wow, that thing, man, shot up and then fucking dumped down. It went up for like 3 weeks, and then it spent the last fucking 8 months going down. Oh, that's rough.
All right, so I just hit the opposite side to see if there was any big reds today. There's D-Lo, which is pretty much down 9.26%. Trying to remember what that one is. That's another digital payment fucking processing company.
Yeah.
Man, so we got one at both ends.
See, this one looks, just based on how it reacted last time, it looks like it's probably going to fucking pop again.
You think so? Oh, yeah.
If you were to, just based on like how the graph looks, it's a very similar look. But the technicals, it is in the sell, because these things always, seem to IPO high and then shoot down.
But it did also pass the take profit 4 margin.
It did. Yeah, you're right.
So that could be a nice play, a nice rebound play, nice swing trade. What is HZAC? HZAC. We had that on our DNB 200 and changed tickers.
HZ?
Yeah.
As in
Horizon. Yeah, Horizon Acquisition Corp. I feel like we just talked about this. What the fuck who did they just merge with? I don't know.
HZN? Is that what you're saying?
No, it was HZAC.
Oh, it's dead.
Yeah.
That's why I couldn't find it. I don't know. I removed it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on the. I was trying to figure out what it changed, what the ticker change was.
Yeah.
Yep. But all right, let's go into the SPAC IPO merger funding news.
Boom. First, Global Foundries sets IPO terms and could be valued at over $25 billion. Global Foundries Incorporated has set terms for its initial public offering as the New York-based silicone wafer foundry looks to raise up to $1.55 billion. The company said it is offering 33 million shares, and shareholder Mubadala Investment Corporation (PJSC) is offering 22 million shares in the IPO, which is expected to price between $42 and $47 a share. What the fuck is this? There's a lot. Okay, semiconductors.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, silicon wafers, aka semiconductors.
At gf.com. Good website. They probably paid a lot for that.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, semiconductors, obviously, if they can produce, this is money.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Could be valued at $25 billion. Whenever I see an excessive amount of billions of dollars, it's like, bro.
Yep.
Man. All right, I already spoke about the DraftKings.
All
I
right.
just want to jump right into the other one.
Sure thing. Candela Medical to offer 14.7 million shares in IPO priced at $16 to $18 each. Again with the Yahoo Finance article. Boom, 1 second. Shabow. Market Watch. No good images today. Market Watch. Candela Medical Incorporated, which makes devices for cosmetic surgery, set terms for its initial public offering on Tuesday, with plans to issue 14.7 million shares priced at $16 to $18 each. The company would raise $265 million at the top of that range at a valuation of $1.7 billion. The company has applied to list on NASDAQ under the ticker CDLA. Bank of America Securities, Goldman Sachs, and Barclays are lead underwriters in a syndicate of 10 banks working on the deal. Quote, "We are a leading provider of advance." That's where the article cuts off, because Dave again just copied and pasted the first paragraph in the Yahoo Finance article. You can see right here where he went click, click, brought it over, pasted, did not see what the rest of the sentence said. "We are a leading provider of advanced medical device solutions for a broad range of aesthetic application."
You know, those 4 extra words weren't a fucking big deal.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
And it also was like 10 words.
I hate you. All right, next. Blockchain blank check SPAC announces 100 million IPO to fund business combinations. So apparently, Blockchain Moon Acquisition Corp, BMAC, a newly formed special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, based in Florida, has been given the green light by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to list 100 million worth of shares under an initial public offering. The pricing of its IPO of 10 million units at $10 per share will be listed on Tuesday via NASDAQ Global Market under the symbol BMAQU, according to a Form S-1 filing of the SEC last month. According to the filing, the blockchain firm intends to seek out companies with significant competitive advantages and or underexploited expansion opportunities. The expansion can be accomplished through a combination of accelerating organic growth and finding new attractive add-on acquisition targets, the company notes. How's it going? Let's check that real quick.
It's been trading for about 40 minutes from what I can tell.
Okay.
It is up 2 cents.
Okay. So far, so good. Is this one DNB 200 worth?
I don't hate it, but I would like to see it a little bit before I mean, it's brand new. Yeah. I don't know what it's going to do.
What are you thinking?
Leave it for now. Because we're going to forget about it. If it pops up again, we'll be like, oh, we should have added that last time. And then we'll add it.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Stock news time.
Stock news. Pulling out the graph here. I'm on the minute.
Fucking hate Johnson & Johnson.
I fucking hate Johnson & Johnson.
Fucking hate them.
Johnson & Johnson stock is soaring because earnings beat raised guidance. Johnson & Johnson, JNJ is the ticker. We talked about it like 3 times in the past week. Reported an adjusted profit of $2.60 a share, easily topping forecasts, and lifted earnings guidance for the fiscal year. The market shrugged off a sales miss. Johnson & Johnson is down significantly since August, but it is now pushing up. It's
it is in the buy rating for the trading view.
Yep.
Bro, $432 billion company.
That's it?
That's it? You thought it was a trillion? All right, next, let's talk about a little GameStop, baby.
Ooh.
This title was, why did the SEC release a report on GameStop?
GME.
Yeah. So Reuters, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, on Monday released a report examining the frenzied trading in shares of retailer GameStop Corp. And other meme stocks in January, and recommended some areas for further regulatory consideration. That's fucking scary. The report could have implications that affect where retail stock orders are executed and how the service is paid for, when brokers can restrict trading and the amount of transparency around short sales.
I would like to see what implications this would have, because this, yeah, I mean, this just seems to be like fucking over the little guy again.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That's my first impression. It's like, why are you regulating? I mean, there's an article yesterday that the 1% owns 89% of the stocks. So, like, why are you restricting what retail, aka common traders, are doing? I don't understand. It's not to protect us, it's to protect them. It's what the fuck?
I agree.
Ridiculous.
I agree. Everyone's helping out the homies.
Oh, God. The SEC is such a spineless fuck all of an organization. It does, like, literally nothing except hurt the little guy. They're completely in the pockets of whoever's, really running the show. It's fucking ridiculous. Fuck you, SEC.
You could say that about the whole government, bro.
I know, but the SEC is, like, really, like, ridiculous because it involves the stock market, which is the only thing I'm involved in,
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like, why are you... I know you guys do this to, like, every little man everywhere, but, like, this is my money, motherfucker. You got enough of it. I could 100 times the amount of money right now, and it wouldn't make a goddamn difference to anybody that's lived,
Yeah, no, not at all. All right, you got this. Do you want me to read this one while you take the hit, or what do you want to do?
Give me a second. Muse on GameStop while I take this bong rip for the both of us, because you're still not smoking, huh?
Yeah, I'm still not smoking. I'm not going to smoke until Friday. I got anybody didn't watch the show yesterday. I got 3 PRP shots fucking all over my body, and it fucking hurt. They told me no anti-inflammatories, and you can clearly tell that marijuana is a anti-inflammatory. So your boy is not taking anything until at least Friday.
At least you can read now, though.
Yeah, I can read a lot better. Huh?
Oh shit! I just like slammed my grinder.
Going back to GameStop, man, I know Joel's brother, Nino, still holding GameStop, I believe. He posted. I'm looking at the graph right now, and it's, you can definitely take some profit. It's in the buy. It just hit the buy trigger.
Yeah.
Trying to think of.
I mean, like, looking at how it operates, this thing looks like it could pop. It could be a bull trap, but it could definitely. I mean, it's kind of flagging out there.
I agree. Let's talk about this Bitcoin ETF, baby.
I like this. Very speculative title here. That's why we used it for the clickbait, motherfucker.
Yes, we did.
Where do we go? New Bitcoin futures ETF could trigger rally to $168,000. Analyst asserts. Fun. Bitcoin's price could catch a serious boost from... I should pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 62,881. Whew, that's sexy. Bitcoin's price could catch a serious boost from a new ETF, according to analysts at Fundstrat. Fundstrat's team, which previously published a year-end Bitcoin price target of $100,000, now says Bitcoin's equilibrium price could spike to as high as $168,000 if the ProShares exchange-traded fund ETF that will begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, on Tuesday, that's today, attacks a serious wave of inflows from investors. See, very speculative. Fundstrat is predicting the new Bitcoin futures ETF will deliver higher first-year inflows than what the Invesco QQQ Trust Series 1 Fund ETF was able to attract back in 2002 by tracking the NASDAQ 100 index. Fundstrat is predicting the ProShares Bitcoin ETF will exceed that by bringing in $50 billion in its first year, which would imply that roughly $50 million additional demand for Bitcoin per day. That, coupled with current supply prices for Bitcoin, got Fundstrat to an equilibrium price of $168,000 per Bitcoin. The ProShares Bitcoin ETF is expected to begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange with the ticker BITO.
BITO, baby.
Let's see. We'll take it to the minute just so we can see it. Open, went down, back up. 41.17.
Is this D&B 200 worthy?
Yeah, sure. I guess it's an ETF.
Yeah, you should add it.
All right, I will add it.
Woo! I think we should. I think it'll be fun to watch.
Okay. That's an interesting one. Devin sold her Bitcoin, or tried to sell her Bitcoin yesterday, but she couldn't because she fucked up the send. She's like, I think it's going down, and it's gone up like $1,300 since then. So she was wrong.
It's not going down at all. I don't think that at all. Next, we're going to stay on the crypto news. This one blows my mind. Coinbase stock jumps after pilot deal with Facebook digital wallet Novi. Coinbase Global Coin shares jumped higher Tuesday after it said Facebook FB. Get Facebook Inc. Class A report will store funds from its new digital wallet with the cryptocurrency exchange group. Coinbase said that Facebook has chosen it as its custody partner for Novi, a new digital wallet that the social media giants say that will allow users to convert local currencies into crypto via a standalone app that plugs into other Facebook products such as Instagram. Facebook will roll out a small pilot project using the stablecoin Pax Dollar in both the US and Guatemala, allowing users to buy Pax through their Novi accounts. Coinbase will store the funds within its custody trust company, which manages around 180 billion of crypto assets, and it's regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services. I don't know if I like that.
No. Not a big fan of anything with Facebook involving money. I'm on the government side with this one.
Right?
Yeah, they're becoming too powerful.
All right, let's check them out real quick. Ticker coin real quick. It's definitely up on the day. It's above 300 now.
Yep. It's up substantially.
Yeah. And then what about Facebook?
Facebook also up quite a bit. I got them both up here side by side.
Well, they both look exactly the same today.
They look very similar today. I agree.
Oh, man, that's what sums up our news articles for the day.
Oh, goodness. Is that it?
I think that's it, my dude. Did you make any plays?
I did not.
No.
I am just holding on to stuff. Just holding. Yeah, I'm looking right now. Yeah, nothing's really. Workhorse is moving a little bit.
Ooh, where's that at?
657. UWMC has also moved a little bit over the last couple days. We've not talked about that.
No, we haven't. UWMC, what is it at right now? 719.
719. Yeah, it was at a low. It's pushing back. Is it going to fill the gap, as Dave likes to ask? Probably
I don't like
not.
it. It's not looking good, bud. It's not fucking looking good.
Nope,
not at all. All right. Thank you guys for watching. We love you so much. Please like, subscribe to the YouTube video, and join our Discord. We are just some stoners making money, sending gifts. We got a cannabis event this weekend, Digital Haze at Club Endgame. 7 to close, smoke cannabis, drink some liquor, eat some food, do whatever the fuck you want. Come check us out. Check us at trapcultureaz.com. And again, huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. And Brian, who else do we have for a sponsor?
Cheat Code Algorithm. We love them.
All right, we will see your ass tomorrow.
We'll see you guys mañana, which will be the last show of the week. I am going to Colorado.
Okay. Bye, everybody. Love you.
Love you bunches. Smooches.
Smooches.
Oh, did I close? Oh, no, I didn't. Good. Thought I closed the fucking music screen thing. But I didn't!
Smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks. Smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers